This is a model of Tewatt portable air compressor. 1300 CFM with 13.5 bar. Now let's introduce the things we have to check before we start. First, we have to check the screw oil. Screw oil must be in the middle of the upper side glass, or maximal here, minimal here. And then we have to check all the pipes and hoses. And also the cables are well connected. Second, check the fuel filter make. The vacuum indicator should be green. If red, you should be service it. And then check the fuel in the system, whether there is water inside or residues inside. If there is, please clean it. If there is air in it also, you have to pump by hand from here. Okay, third, we check the engine oil level and also the quality. Level should be in the middle of the roll, and also have to check the quality. And then check the belt should be not loose or well. And then check the fan guard. There should be no residues or sun rise beside. Fourth, we have to check the coolant level. Should be between these two lines, the upper and the lower line. Best in middle or middle up. Fifth, make sure all the connectors of the pipe and hose are well connected, especially these two. After all the checkings, then we can power on. Then we check from the controller. The fuel level should be no less than 9%. And then if there is an alarm, you have to page up and to reset. Otherwise, you cannot start. And then now you can normally start from here. And if you need air, you can unload first. But before you stop, make sure to unload here and then stop.